Oh, hi Samantha. It's me, Mrs. Pinto. I hope you're doing well. I'm just wanting to check in with you about your grades. It's not too late. You can still improve your grades a lot in this class because of the lenient policies. So I'm noticing here all these things that are missing with zeros, and they're things that are pretty easy to get done. Um, we've got the 1.1 notes, the 1.2 practice problems, and the 1.3 notes. And I'm guessing the 1.1 homework, yep. And then 1.4 notes, and all of these items, and they're all accessible through modules. Now, I don't want you to be too overwhelmed. Let's see what is the most important thing for you to get done. Oh, according to your grade, the most important thing for you to get done is your practice problems because you have a 0%, which is the lowest percentage. There's no such thing as negative percent, so you've done none of your homework. All of Unit 1 homework is still worth half credit, so your grade would go up significantly if you turned in that late and missing work. But I would start by watching the notes first. The notes are still full credit, so watch those video notes and answer the questions. Rewind if you miss something, and your grade will go up about 10% just by catching up on those video notes. If you have an hour to watch some videos, I think that would be the best use of your time because you could probably get 5 sections done in an hour because the videos are between 10 and 15 minutes. After you do that, then you would want to work on practice problems. If I was you, I would start with Unit 2 because the Khan Academy and Desmos items are still worth full credit there. And so that would be a great place for you to start. If you have any questions or need help from me, I'm always available. You can just go to the home screen, and this is how you can access our class link. And you can also sign up for my tutoring by clicking on this help button. And here's my sign up page. You can sign up here. I had a couple students come today, and you could also just email me and say, Ms. Pinto, and my email's here, this time works better for me, so can we have that time instead? And I will say yes or no. All right, hope you're doing well. Bye.